Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want your website to look fully professional and independent, removing GoDaddy Websites Builder branding is a must in 2026. By default, GoDaddy adds its branding footer text like powered by GoDaddy on lower tier plans, but the good news is it's removable if you do it the right way. So most confusion comes from plan limits, not missing buttons. We will clear that up. So in this step-by-step guide, I will show you how to remove GoDaddy Websites Builder, branding it in 2026 like a pro. So first thing first, check your current plan. So go and log into GoDaddy website. So go to your accounts first, tap website, open my product or plan details to look for free. Branding cannot be removed, or basic premium commerce, that's the branding that's removable. So if you are on free, upgrade is mandatory. Okay, so upgrade to a branding free plan. So if needed, click upgrade, choose one of basic premium commerce, confirm payment. Once upgraded, branding removal becomes automatic or configurable. Okay, so open your website's editor after upgrading. Go to websites, select your websites, click edit sites, okay, and you will have a page like this. So branding setting, apply inside the editor or footer. Okay, so depending on your setup, one of these will apply. So branding auto removed. After upgrade, footer branding disappears automatically, no action needed. This is normal behavior in 2026. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.